Hello guys, here in Asian Meso. So start the one. Wala, nice it. Wow, the sweets. Look at the sweets. Nice, huh? That's why. Look at that. Okay, and the salad. Yes, of course. Wow, fresh salad. And we'll move on steamed rice. Yeah. Steamed rice. And today it's wow. Nice it, huh? Vegetables. Pure vegetables. You like it, huh? And the toppings, red pepper and coriander leaves. Yes. And the next, sabji. See, sabji. In Philippines, looks like a pinakbet. The fruit of malunggay also. And this one, oh, good one. Nice. And crackers. And for the Filipino, white rice and fish. Voila. And ginisan upo. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.